Crip Mac and Bricc Baby meet a gay Hoover Crip for the first time. The fuck? I'm about to bug up.
Tony with us, man. Tony Rich, Will Rich. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Sharp, the sharp one. You know what I'm saying? And the man of the hour, Mr. 55th Street himself.
55th Street.
Mac. Yeah, man, this gonna be an interesting.
Come on, you 50. You...
Yeah.
Oh no, that's how I thought.
Nah, it do hit different when he just throw your Crip up. When he cripping more than you, and he cripping harder than you. Wait, but he a Hoover though. Wait, he got Hoover killer on his head. Wait, what? It do hit different. Wait. Whoa. Oh my gosh. My fault. I'm being dead ass serious. If he gay, he dead ass gay for real shit. Real shit, he gay. But he throwing up the Crip is kind of throwing me off right now. Is you blood? You a gay blood? Gang banging? Let's go back.
Crip Mac.
How you throw up your Crip?
Man, this gonna be an interesting
This how I throw up my Crip.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's how I throw up
my Crip. Yeah, that's the
See, I'm already outdoing you.
Yep.
That's the penitentiary.
Yep. He trying to fuck.
We gonna
Well,
get to it.
I haven't been to the pen. I've been to jail.
Yo, you been to jail.
Oh, you been to the jail?
To the county. I've been to a few counties.
Yeah. Oh, so look, man.
You ever been to L.A. County Jail? Hell no.
Oh yeah, L.A. County Jail.
L.A. County, he don't want to go neither.
No, hold on though.
He ain't gonna see him over there, Crip Mac.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
I'm a fit right in.
Some of them is
they're
vicious.
gonna
I ain't
send
even
you.
gonna
They're gonna
lie.
I'm a
ask you.
fit right in
So,
that
but the police ask you if you gay or not, are you gonna tell them yes or no?
They gonna be able to see I'm gay.
So they're gonna put you.
Nigga, you could see it. What the fuck?
They're gonna let you know that I'm
So
gay.
they're gonna separate you
But
off the
you
rip.
gay.
They don't have to though.
From
No,
who?
They
no,
don't.
they're gonna
So
they're gonna
you
make
need
you
you going with your
go
homeboys.
because
You going with your homeboys.
Oh, so that's how they do in LA.
Sure,
So
you funny as
in the jail in LA, they make all the gay people go to one side of the jail and all the straight people go. Why?
Because just to keep away. I told you.
Also, it's a Subway sandwich. Like I said, 5 each your song.
Oh, you got me this?
Yeah, we got
man.
sandwiches.
We got sandwiches and we got sandwiches and shit. We just so generous, Crip Mac. Nah, you the real ass nigga, Crip Mac. You just giving out sandwiches and shit. Like, what the fuck? You giving out sandwiches and shit. Like, what the fuck is this nigga doing, bro? The fuck is he giving out sandwiches for?
No,
I'm
but look,
respected already.
At 6
He got everybody the same beer. This nigga is generous. Shout out Crip Mac,
or
man.
a foot long.
Fucking generous ass nigga, man.
It better not be no poison. You better not be poison.
hey,
Your tattoo say
take a bite
Come
of it.
on, I
He'll take a bite of it. That's how we do it in the county jail.
Take a
Especially with
take a bite.
different sets. Like, you know, when you make the Pruno drink in the county,
Yeah.
if it's from
Yeah,
another
the
hood,
we
make
blessed
sure
it,
that,
we
yeah,
blessed
exactly,
it,
make
the
sure I
enemies
take a
of
sip
one,
then
yeah,
on hood,
yeah,
like, all right,
yeah,
cause now you
yeah.
take, so now you know it's official. Go ahead and take some of that, Bricc, baby.
I don't know if I'm gonna share that.
All right.
That's more like
I'm
a
a
date.
trust Crip Mac.
Listen,
His tattoo say Hoover killer, so I'm
Tony-
a trust that ain't no
Tony-
killing.
Tony-
Yeah. You better trust him.
Look. This is different, kid. This is
So-
it's
Oh,
elevation
oh.
in life.
All right, so let's get into it. No jumper. What's
I
going on?
couldn't even
Elevation?
You didn't even talk about gay shit at one point. So
No,
now the
man,
fact
it's about-
that he
it's about
showed up today,
elevation
and
in life.
that shit damn near bring
You
tears
know?
to my eyes, man. I love you for that.
Yeah.
Real shit.
So Tony,
Mhm.
where you from?
So I'm from Fort Worth, Murder Worth. We kill a lot of out there. Murder Worth.
Funky Town.
Funky Town. But we
Funky
funky.
Town.
I got on deodorant.
You got on the other.
Yeah.
You got
Now,
some
I'ma
cheap
tell
ass
you- I'ma
deodorant.
tell you how
You
to-
got
Hell no,
country
Old
ass.
Spice.
Hey, I know you
Yeah.
from out there in
Yeah.
Texas, but the word, how you say that word, that's how you diss the 40, so just use another word.
Oh no, that's
No, just tell him to use another word.
No,
That's it.
listen,
Okay,
no,
another
no,
word.
no.
So just
Fort
say
Worth.
like,
No, Fort Worth. That's the nickname the white people
Oh,
call it.
is it?
That's
All
the
right,
nickname
you
for
know-
the town.
oh, all right,
but
all right,
you know
you
what I'm saying? Because we
know,
keep
oh,
it.
It's kind of getting me mad that they got him sitting right there.
Yeah,
you
hood.
already know.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna.
I'm from the south side of Fort Worth.
Mm.
I grew up in a small neighborhood called.
Why they gotta get
Riverside.
that angle, bro?
That is the
Shit is annoying, bro.
Deuce area.
Change it
So
before I
then
punch you in your
have
shit.
the Hoover
Adam
landings
22.
when that is like a little bit down the street, like on Rosedale and stuff. And that's where I come from. So we do it a little different in Fort Worth. So you see, I got on orange. So in Fort Worth,
That's what they wear out
That's
here.
what they wear out here.
Oh,
the
it's-
Hoovers wear orange.
okay, everybody wear orange.
But I don't think
Yeah.
you would right now want to go hang out on Fig and 74th or 52nd
Why
and
not?
Hoover. Well, you think you
He's giving out locations right now, guys.
Cheeseburger.
Niggas, GPS Dora, the Explorer.
No,
Okay.
No, we don't. We neighborhood Crips. We don't.
Yeah,
If
but
I
at
see
the
a red dot coming anywhere in here, I swear to God, I'm gonna run up this mother-
When I tell you like this, I'm about taking care of business and I'm elevating, knowing China Mac and King Five Fingers and ODM Slim.
He's all about elevating, y'all. Y'all heard what he just said.
Casey.
Crip Casey. So
Crick
Casey.
Brick Baby. Crick Casey.
Who is that?
You know, we
You
talk
know,
with all
I'm
C's 'cause we
elevating.
from
I'm
Crip.
elevating in life. You hear me? Elevating
See,
in
and that's
life
all it's
means
about.
All right, man. I don't care.